Hi, welcome back to our channel, Halloween House.
Today we're going to go under the hood of the car and check some fluids and some basic maintenance that you can do at home. Okay, so I'm going to show you a few quick and easy ways to check your car, make sure everything is the way it should be. I'm going to work on my 2000 Pontiac Trans Am because under the hood there's a lot more room, so it should be easier for you to see what I'm doing, and then you can do that on your own car. Keeps it running, keeps it good, and then you know everything's functioning properly. Okay, so first we're going to check the oil. So you should be able to find your oil's dipstick. Most cars it's yellow. This is our oil dipstick here. So we are going to pull it. I have a paper towel because there is oil on here. And so there are little notches telling you when the oil is full. And so what you want to do is wipe it off. See where the notches are, and it'll tell you. We're going to put it back in, and then we are going to remove it, and we're going to take a look at where that oil lies. And so right now the oil is where it's supposed to be, so we are all good. And the oil was just recently changed, so it's not super dirty, so you know everything is all functioning well. You should check your oil at least once a month, and if for some reason you start noticing that you're down a quart every month, go get your car checked because you either have a leak or you're burning oil. Something's wrong. We're going to check the engine coolant. So this one's nice and easy to get to. Again, it's another dipstick. And I'm going to clean it off a little bit. We'll be able to see where the fill line is. You always want to check this when your engine is cold. And so we're going to put it back in. Check our levels. And make sure that it is in the fill line, which it is. So we're good to go on our coolants. The easiest one for you to check is your washer fluid. Generally you can open it up, and if you see washer fluid, you're good. Some of the reservoirs are a little further down, so you can always just fill it until it tops off. So your air filter is something that should be changed ideally every 12,000 miles or a year, depending on how much you drive your car. It's going to filter out all the yucky stuff and make sure that everything that gets into the engine is clean. If it gets all plugged up, you're going to have problems. So we're going to go ahead and take out our old air filter. And it's a bit dirty. It's not the worst that I've ever seen, but it is a little bit dirty. These will cost you usually less than 20 bucks. So you can easily buy one and change it. So here's my new air filter. I'm going to put it in. Try not to scrunch anything while we're doing it. Sometimes it's a little tricky to get it in there because you got other stuff around it. And then you'll be good to go. And cut it. Alright, so we got the air filter in. I'll put the pieces back on to hold it in. Good to go for the next year. Alright, so hope you learned something good today. If you do go get your oil changed and they try to upsell you on filters and other things, just think about it. You could probably do it yourself for cheaper. You might get a little bit dirty, but not much.
And you can save a lot of money by not letting them sell you stuff you don't need. You
absolutely.
can do it on your own. So stay spooky and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Take care.